Imagine waking up every morning at 4:30 a.m. No rushing, no stress, no last-minute panic. While everyone else is still sleeping, you've already started working on your goals. Sounds impossible? Well, here's the truth. Most people think waking up early is about having strong motivation. But that's completely wrong. The people who wake up at 4:30 a.m. every day aren't more motivated than you. They simply have better systems. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can train yourself to wake up at 4:30 a.m. consistently, even if you've been a night owl your entire life. Let's get started. The biggest mistake people make: most people decide to change their lives overnight. One day, they wake up at 9 a.m. The next day, they try waking up at 4:30 a.m. And after a few days, they fail. Then they think, maybe I'm just not disciplined enough. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is that your body has an internal clock. If you suddenly force it to change by several hours, your body fights back. That's why waking up early feels painful. Success isn't about shocking your body. It's about training it gradually. Step 1. Fix your sleep time. Most people focus on the wake-up time, but successful people focus on bedtime. Think about it. If you sleep at midnight and wake up at 4:30 a.m., you'll be exhausted. Your goal shouldn't be waking up early. Your goal should be sleeping early. Start by moving your bedtime back by 15 to 20 minutes every few days. For example, if you normally sleep at 11:30 p.m., try sleeping at 11:10 p.m., then 10:50 p.m., then 10:30 p.m. Eventually, your body adapts naturally. Small changes create lasting results. Step 2. Stop using your phone. Before bed, here's something most people don't know. Your phone is secretly destroying your sleep. The blue light from screens tells your brain, it's daytime, stay awake. As a result, your brain produces less melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. That's why you can spend hours scrolling without feeling sleepy. Try this simple rule. No phone 30 minutes before bed. Instead, read a book, write your plans for tomorrow, or simply relax. You'll fall asleep much faster, and waking up early becomes much easier. Step 3. Put your alarm away from your bed. Let's be honest. How many times have you pressed snooze? Once? 10 times? Maybe more. The problem is simple. Your alarm is too close. When your alarm is next to your bed, turning it off requires zero effort. So, place it across the room. Now, when it rings, you'll have to physically get out of bed. And once you're standing, it's much harder to go back to sleep. This small trick works surprisingly well. Sometimes success comes from making bad habits difficult. Step 4. Never negotiate with yourself. This step is extremely important. When your alarm rings at 4:30 a.m., your brain will start making excuses. Just 5 more minutes. You slept late, you can start tomorrow. Don't listen, because those 5 minutes almost always become 30, then an hour. Then your entire plan disappears. The moment your alarm rings, stand up immediately. No thinking, no negotiating, just action. Remember, the more you think, the weaker your decision becomes. Step 5. Give yourself a reason to wake up. Most people fail because they have nothing exciting waiting for them. Ask yourself, why do you want to wake up at 4:30 a.m.? To study? To exercise? To build a business? To learn a new skill? You need a purpose, because getting out of bed is much easier when you have something meaningful to do. Successful people don't wake up early because they enjoy mornings. They wake up early because they value their goals more than their comfort. Step 6. Create a simple morning routine. Once you're awake, don't waste time deciding what to do. Have a simple routine. For example, wake up, drink water, wash your face, stretch for a few minutes, then start your most important task. That's it. Keep it simple. The more complicated your routine becomes, the harder it is to maintain. Consistency beats perfection every time. What happens after 30 days? The first few days will be difficult. There's no point pretending otherwise. Your body will resist. Your mind will complain. But if you stay consistent for a few weeks, something amazing happens. Your body adapts. You stop needing multiple alarms. Waking up becomes automatic. And those quiet morning hours become your secret advantage. While others are sleeping, you're improving, learning, growing, and moving closer to your goals. That's how small daily habits create massive long-term success. Conclusion. Waking up at 4:30 a.m. isn't magic. It's not a special talent, and it's definitely not something only successful people can do. It's simply a habit built one day at a time. So remember, sleep earlier. Avoid your phone before bed. Place your alarm away from your bed. Stand up immediately when it rings. And most importantly, have a reason to wake up. Because every successful morning starts the night before. The question is, will tomorrow be another ordinary day, or the day you finally take control of your life? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join for more self-improvement content.